Hello. So, you want to know something about the structural quality of an architecture? Good. There are two key criteria. Do you know what they are? No, yes, not sure. Okay, let me help you with that first. The two criteria are coupling and cohesion. These provide complementary indications of how good the structure is, and are commonly used in architecture evaluation. Can you now recall what they are and what they measure? No. Yes. Okay, we'll look at them now. Let's deal with coupling first. What is coupling? The number of components in an architecture, a measure of complexity, a measure of the dependencies between components. Not really. This might give an indication of size, but not coupling. Coupling might contribute to complexity, but measuring complexity is pretty fraught, as it is so subjective. Yes, that's right. It tells us how interlinked the parts of the architecture are. Okay, let's look at cohesion now. What is meant by cohesion? The minimum number of lines of code, required for the function, the degree to which the component performs a single function, the depth of the inheritance tree. No, that's not it, and in any case, the minimum number of lines will depend on the language you are using. That's exactly it. Nice answer. What metric could we use to measure coupling? The CBO metric, the lines of code measure, weighted methods per class, WMC. Yes, that's a good measure to use here. CBO, or coupling between object classes, counts the instances when methods declared in one class use methods or instance variables defined by the other class. High levels of CBO suggest lots of dependencies, which can make maintenance really difficult. What about cohesion? How do we measure that? By counting the number of children of a component, using counts of methods and variables. This is another of the CK metrics, but it counts more for structural linking than cohesion. Yes, that's it. This is not easy though, and is generally more subjective than the measurement of coupling. Hopefully now you have an initial grasp of coupling and cohesion. A lot more information about these and related aspects of architectural quality can be found here, avistu.com.